All right, what's up? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about the LED selfie ring light with tripod stand. What's the price? How much do this cost? We'll be right back. All right, guys, so I just want to talk real quick about the selfie ring light. This is made by Bauer. This is what we're using to do our videos. As of right now, using this light now. You probably can see it in my glasses here, but this is where we're using to get that good lighting, especially if you're doing videos indoors, okay? This is great for new people coming to YouTube. So if you're new, starting your journey on YouTube, kudos to you. You have a ton of opportunities and you don't have to spend a lot of money. Guys, this right here, let's get into the price. You can get this for 30 bucks. 30 bucks and you're in business. And there's a lot included with this $30. So I'm gonna go over some of the details here in 1 second here. But guys, 30 bucks, you can get this on Amazon. Like I said, you can click that link in the description here to see this on Amazon, see all the details and see all the pricing options. But anyway, $30, this is pretty much what you get. You get a extendable stand here. It's a tripod stand. So this tripod stand is adjustable. You can let it all the way down to 14.5 inches or it extends all the way up to 51 inches. So guys, you can shoot videos on a desk sitting down or you can shoot videos standing up. However you want to do it, guys, this is your world, you can play in it. So that's what I love about it. It comes with the adjustable stand. Not only that, but it also has a cell phone holder. So if you want to let your stand up, put your cell phone in here and let it hold your cell phone while you shoot videos, it can do that. Wouldn't recommend it if I wasn't using it myself. So I actually have my cell phone in the stand holder now. Letting the light reflect over the phone, it gives a good lighting effect. So another thing about it, it also comes with if you notice here, a little wireless remote. So you don't have to touch your phone to hit the stop and record button, guys. You can sit back, record videos, start, stop, play. Or if you want to shoot a selfie, you can use the remote. So it's very, very flexible. You can control the phone as you shoot videos or take pictures, whatever the case may be, with the wireless remote. Very, very handleable, and this pairs with your cell phone device. And it is compatible with iPhone or Android. Very, very highly recommended product. Same thing we're using, especially if you're new to YouTube. And I just want to share my 2 cents in on that. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below what you think about this review. Don't forget to click that link below in the description. Check it out on Amazon.
Oh, don't forget, I also did a review on Amazon on this exact same product. So don't forget to click that video card above to see that video on that review.
And I will see you on the next video. Oh, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video. Share this video with somebody else who find it valuable. All right, bye-bye.